In this guide, I'll show you how to fix high ping or lag in Counter-Strike 2. So the first thing you want to do is restart your home network by unplugging the power cable for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in. In addition to that, using a wired connection over Wi-Fi is always going to provide a more stable, fast connection for your internet. Now, if you have a lot of different devices connected to your internet, try removing them as this could cause network congestion, which is going to give you high ping and you'll experience lag. Now, something you could actually do in game is to open up the settings. So press escape on your keyboard and select the settings menu in the top left corner, and then you want to select game. Now, what you could do is decrease the max acceptable matchmaking ping. So it may take longer to enter games, but when you do enter a game, you're less likely to experience lag due to low ping. Now, in addition to that, make sure your max acceptable game traffic bandwidth isn't on extremely restricted or one of these lower values. Rather, you want to ensure this is on unrestricted. And if you are experiencing packet loss or rubber banding, you could try adjusting the buffering to smooth over packet loss by using one packet or two packets, albeit this may increase your ping a little bit. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.